Hello, I'm attorney Eric Canter, and people always ask me if I've been involved in a truck accident case, how are my medical expenses going to be paid? Well, when you're injured, your medical expenses are adding up. Your lost wages are adding up. Many of these damages are compensable from your own Florida no-fault insurance policy. Florida's a no-fault state, so that means your own insurance company is going to be the primary payer of your medical expenses after any truck accident, any motor vehicle accident. So if you have questions about your truck accident case, feel free to contact me and I'll give you honest, straightforward answers about your truck accident case. You can reach me locally at 561-447-4500, or you can reach me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at 800-830-8386. You can reach me at any one of my 5 South Florida offices, and I'll give you honest, straightforward answers about your truck accident case.